Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Ripley County, Missouri, Butler County, Missouri, Southwestern Stoddard County, Missouri, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Puxico to Oxley, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Poplar Bluff, Dexter, Puxico, Wheelerville, Hewlin, Fisk, Dudley, Fabielle, Fair Dealing, and Ron Bauer. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Butler, Ripley, and Stoddard. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Ripley County, Missouri, west central Butler County, Missouri, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Budapest, or 10 miles northeast of Doniphan, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fair Dealing and Milltown around 4:02 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Butler and Ripley.